I got that juice, new AP. She got that juice, she got that squeeze, she got that wet. I'm on them skis, I got that drip, I'm overseas. DRIPPING, I got that V.
Good morning, guys. Welcome back. It's your girl Celebrity Renee, and I'm back with another video. Today's video is going to be showing some girls in a group on Facebook that I'm in how to make postcards, flyers, banners for YouTube, anything, basically any graphics that you want yourself on Canva for free. You can also print it from Canva and pay for shipping. That's just how I do mine. So here I'm just showing you all the pictures that I uploaded. You can upload your own images. Here I'm just going to go to Google, find a background or something that I want to use. Canva does have preset templates and stuff, but I like to use my own, be different. I don't want my design to look like anybody else's. So here I'm just going to click this one. Save it. Let's find another one. Save that one. Alright, y'all, so now we're back on Canva. You're just going to upload your old image. Upload those images. I like this one, but it wasn't acting how I wanted it to. So because by me stretching it out so much, you see how it's starting to get fuzzy. The resolution is now low, so I just really realized that that wasn't going to work, and it's not stretching. Maybe if I would have did the card horizontal, it would have been nice, but I ended up, vertical instead of horizontal. So I'm just going to use this one just to show you guys something really quick. I'm going to take my logo. Really, Canva is just about pasting, well, not pasting, but layering. You just got to know what layers to put what in. You can always go back and change it and stop it, but I'm just cropping here. It's a lot of time of just, I guess you could say, trial and error. Just keep playing with it. Don't give up. You know what you think looks good to the eye. Just what type of advertisement you like to see from other companies or things like that. So yeah, just playing around with it. Right here, I'm going to choose a photo. I didn't go with this photo that you see me guys clicking on. I actually hit duplicate on accident, but I don't feel like it's fit this thing, so I'm actually gonna delete this photo and go to another photo, as you'll see. So yeah, it's just a lot of playing with it, trial and error, like I said. Right, you see I have a picture of some of my bundles. I'm just going to add this on here. You can rotate it. Get creative. Open your mind up. Explore. Care to have fun with it. The more you're looking at it as fun instead of a job, the more fun you'll have. And the better your stuff will come out, guys. I can promise you that. Okay, so I didn't go with that picture either. Wasn't feeling it. Like I said, you just have to feel it. When you see it, you just know like this is it. So here I'm going to the shapes. I'm just going to add a text box in here, or a box, and I'm going to put text inside of it.